Hi, sir.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. This is good morning. Good morning. Okay, so good morning, Simeon. Abigail, good morning. Ida, good morning. Good morning to all. How are you doing? Krishna, is it raining outside? Krishna, is it raining?
There's a lot of background noise, sir. I started to hear what you said.
It's like, yeah. Is it raining? No. Okay,
It
Ida, what
started
about
getting
Bangalore?
very sunny here.
Oh, sunny. Yes, sir.
Bangalore, it's like really cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain, but it's not raining.
I think in your area, is it raining?
No, 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 sir.
Simeon, what about you?
Morning, yes. Night, yes. Now, no.
Oh, okay. So, Singapore, what is boss now? What is coming?
Don't understand what you said.
Is it disturbance in my mic? What type of disturbance is it? Sorry?
A lot of noise.
Lot of noises are there, sir.
Now? Now noise is there?
No.
Nice remove fully?
Yeah, it's gone fully.
Yeah, good morning to all. Again, I'm saying. So today we'll start a new chapter called as probability. Where are you, Abhishek? Please share me. Also.
Sir, you're asking me.
Yes, I'm there.
I'm on a train.
Oh wow, this type of
Oh,
question.
wow, Abhi. Everybody clap for Abhi.
See, that's what dedication we need for the class. One is from USA, one is from Singapore, one is in the train, one in the schools. From every point of the world, and it feels like flying. Okay. So everyone, we'll start a new chapter called as probabilities. Probabilities. Okay. Give me a second. Yes, it is chapter 26. Yes, it's chapter number 26. Okay, so probability is basically what do you mean by probability? So I'll ask Ira, what do you mean by probability? Like how will you define probability?
So the probability of something, like something's going to happen, like how much chance there is.
So you read any chapter of probability in maths? Did you read
Yes,
that?
yes, sir. I know about probability.
No. Let Ira ask you. Then I will.
Yeah, so I read the title in one of the books. I didn't go deep into it, I think. It was a long
No,
time.
in your level C course book, you didn't read about probability?
So what is
Okay.
level C coursework?
Yeah, 8th class, basically NIOS, we are doing secondary. Na? Before that, if you want to opt for the 8th class, you need to give level, this NIOS level C. So, Edric, how will you define probability?
So probability is a chance of something to happen, of an event to happen.
Of event to happen. Okay. So it stands for even to happen. Okay. So can you give me one example, Simeon?
Like if there are three white balls in a bag and three black balls in a bag, you have to
Hmm.
find the probability of if you put your hand in and randomly take one ball out, you have to find the probability of what is the chance of you taking a white ball or a black ball.
Perfect. Perfect. So according to me, probability is called as possibility, or we can say chances. Okay. So probability is basically defined as with the definition. I'm not getting the definition. I will write it down for the Google. Okay. So for example, now what is my probability? Everyone, please pay attention. What is my probability? Probability is basically, so for example, if this is a coin, okay? If this is a coin and it has head on the top and tail in the bottom. Okay. So if I will toss a coin, what is the probability of coming head?
50%.
Yeah, 50%. Why 50%? Because basically, there is only total two chances. Out of two chances, only one chance is there to get ahead. It becomes half. Okay. And half of 100% is basically 50%. So it means that there will be 50% as a probability, as a chance to get an head.
Then sir,
And yes,
then for tails also is 50%. A coin flip is exactly a 50-50 chance.
yes, a tail is also 50%. Okay, so probability is basically the chance of possibility. Like if you are asking that, what is the chance of that? Okay, so if I will ask one question from Ira, what is the probability of getting even number when you roll a dice? Only Ira will give. When you will roll a dice, what is the probability of getting even number? So first of all, how will you solve this? First of all, what is the total numbers are there in a dice?
6,
Yes, six. And now how many even numbers are there?
3,
So it will become 3 by 6. And when you will reduce it, it will become 1 by 2. And into 100, it becomes 50% again. So it means that if you will roll a dice, there will be half chances are there that you will get as an even number, and half chances are there that you will get a odd number. Do you understand, guys? No. So probability. What do you mean by probability? Now, can you define probability? Who will? Betty will define the probability. Now you define the probability. What we learned. Yes, Betty. Mike is yours. Okay. The probability is a mathematical field that studies uncertainty or randomness in the specific situation. What is the coming randomness or uncertainty? Like what is the coming of head, which is right now it's uncertain, but with the help of the formula and with the help of the method, we will find it out what is the coming percentage or coming chances are there. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes or
yes,
no? So there's a formula for the probability is PE. Now here, basically, everyone please pay attention. PE stands for uh, event. Basically, E stands for event. E stands for event, and PE means probability of an event. Okay. PE means probability of an event. Like for example, having if they ask you what is probability of getting tail, so tail is the event. So if they ask what is the probability of getting prime number in the if a roll a dice, the prime number is basically event. What we are asking, that become an event. Did you understand? No. Hmm? And the formula for that is number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes E upon number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. Okay, so basically number of favorable outcomes. Like if they ask about that the odd number, the odd number is the favorable outcome. Like it's a favor. But they are only asking this thing. It's a favor. Okay, it's called a favorable outcome. Like we have the favor of Christ. So in the same way, if they are asking for the favor of anything, so they call as favor. And number of possible outcome means the total number of outcomes, like total how out of which, out of six, if they ask for the prime number, that prime number become the favorable outcome, and total is become the six. Did you understand, Ira? No, you didn't understand anything. Why? Okay, thanks. Okay, write it down. This one, did you understand?
The field.
E is number of favorable outcomes, right?
Which one?
E stands for number of
E
favorable outcomes.
stands for event. The event which is happening, or the experiment which is happening. So probability of the event is basically if they ask for the number two, so number two will become the favorable event or the outcome.
Okay.
This Friday? No test.
Next Friday?
Next Friday?
Yes, test.
Yes, test.
It's number of favorable outcomes is E. Then total number of all possible outcomes.
Can I do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 minute.
Now some more thing that we're gonna learn, that probability
Can you go back?
it's Yeah. Now, Simeon, for you, probability is not percentage. I'm saying again, probability is not percentage. Probability is not calculated in the form of percentage. It is always calculated in the form of decimal or a fraction.
I thought they always
Okay?
calculate in percent.
No, no, no. You don't have to calculate in percentage. Okay? That percentage, I guess it becomes chances. Like 50% chance. We will never say 50% probability. We say 50% chances. 25% chances are there that they will be real. So that percentage becomes chances, but the probability is like basically in the form of 1/2. Yeah, like we will say, what is the probability of getting head? It's 1/2. We never say 50% chance. 50% probability. We never say. Okay. So don't multiply it by 100 and make it confusing for you and for the examiner. Just simply whatever the fraction you are getting, it will enter that. Okay. Everyone. It is for everyone. Either we don't have to multiply it by 100 to get the answer in percentage. Like probability is not about percentage. Probability is all about the decimal or the fraction value.
Okay.
Okay. Clear is this? Joshua?
Wait,
Okay.
the
Yes, sir.
coins.
Okay. Now everyone please pay attention. This is important. Eric, pay attention on the board.
Yes, sir.
See, the value of the probability can be 0 and greater than 0. Okay.
But it is
And
less
but it is equal to 0 and 1. Equals to 1 or less than 1. See guys, I made this thing represent that the value of probability, this P, the value of probability is equals to 0. This line represent equals to 0 or more than 0. Equals to 1 or less than 1. Means the value of probability always lies from 0 to 1. If you're getting answer of probability as 2, 3, 11, 12, your answer is wrong. The value of probability is always equals to 0 or more than 0, equals to 1 or less than 1. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
so, sir.
Yes.
If the probability is 0, it is impossible.
Yeah.
And the probability is 1, it is certain.
From 0 to 1. Okay. See, what I wrote, the value of probability is equals to 0 or more than 0. It won't be less than 0. Less than 0 means minus value. The minus value of the probability is not exist. Minus 7.5, minus 8, minus 1.3, minus 2.3. No, it's 0. That means the probability is not there. Equals to 0, more than 0, equals to 1 or less than 1. You are getting answer as 1.1, which is more than 1. The answer will be wrong. The value of probability should be less than 1. Equals to 1? Okay. Like if you got answer as 1, this is correct probability. But if you're getting answer as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, it is more than 1, it's wrong. Understood? So I wrote this thing also. It means that value probability lies from 0 to 1. Not more than 1, not less than 0. Do you understand, Adrian?
Yes,
Simeon?
sir.
Okay.
I'm writing, sir.
Yeah, write it down. One more thing I have to discuss is uh, okay. Listen, guys. Listen, guys. If the probability is 0, it is called as impossible event. If the probability is 1, if you're getting answer as 1, it is called as sure event or certain event. Now I want to ask one question from Simeon. Simeon, can you give me an example of impossible event?
Sorry?
Can you give me an example of impossible event? Any example? The same question stands for Ira also. Let's see who will give the first. Any example of impossible event? Think out of the box.
World War IV, like without
Huh?
World
Sorry?
War IV would be an impossible event.
Sorry, say it again.
Like World War IV would be an impossible event. Like without World War III, there wouldn't be World War IV.
Uh, Impossible means never happen. If World War III happened, then
Okay.
it's not depend. It won't happen. Yes, Simeon saying something. Yes, Simeon.
Impossible event is me slipping while I'm sitting on this chair.
I mean, I'm asking mathematical answers, not the emotional answers. Okay. So basically, a bag has red balls, 10 red balls. If I ask you to put a hand in the bag and take out the yellow ball, so is it possible?
No, sir.
It's impossible. The bag only has red balls. Huh? Okay, so that is called as impossible event. Okay, it's only God who can change the water into wine. So if God will put the hand and the yellow will come, that is
But sir,
God only who do impossible to possible things.
but
Yeah,
sir, nothing is impossible with God. But
yeah, that's what I'm saying. The red ball will. I will ask God to put the hand in the bag and ask for the yellow ball. He will take out the yellow ball from the red ball. So yeah, it's only God who can do it. But yeah, for us, it's impossible even. Okay. Now the second is pure event. So I asked answer from just now. Can you give me an example of sure event, please?
Emotional or mathematical, sir?
Mathematical. Same question stands for Betty also and Joshua also. Joshua, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me an example of sure event.
So sure event means more chances, right?
No, fully chances, not more chances.
So,
Fully chances. One.
so it's fully chances.
Hmm.
So if there are like 6 balls, all of the balls are yellow. That means that's a
Hmm.
sure event.
Yeah,
So
correct.
it's 100
So
percentage.
100%. No, percentage. Don't calculate in percentage. I'm saying again. Let it into the number only, like decimal or the natural number. So if I ask you that what is the probability of getting A whole number. Sorry, the yellow ball if it is in the bag. And what is the probability of getting yellow balls? So all yellow balls are there. So it doesn't mean how many are there. It is called as sure, certainly. Like if I will put my hand in the bag, I will obviously will get the red. And terms and condition apply if God is not. Okay, done.
Wait. Yes, done, sir.
Okay. Now one more thing I have to discuss. See, probability of event plus probability of not event. This E bar represents not event is also one. Is also one. Now, what do you mean by not even? So we'll do this one question based on this. See, for example, if I will say our coin is tossed, okay, what is the probability of getting head? What is the probability of getting head?
1/2.
So basically, there are two chances are there. It can be head or it can be tail. Okay, and for getting head is 1/2. So probability of event will become getting head. And if I will ask Aina, what is the probability of not getting head?
1/2.
Yes. Why it's called 1/2? Can you tell me?
Because there are like it's the same amount of as getting heads.
Yeah, means basically not getting head is basically tail. What is the probability of getting tail?
1/2.
1/2. And when you will add probability of getting plus probability of not getting events is always 1. So like if you will calculate it, it is also 1. It is also 1. So 1 is equals to 1 because half plus half is 1. Understood? So these are also called as complementary event. Complementary event. These are also called as complementary. Why complementary events? Because these events happening to complement each other. Getting head, not getting head. Both are the like opposite to each other. That's why when you will add it, you will get answer as 1. Understood? Okay, clear now. Simeon, did you understand, Vida?
Yes. So if it's like there are 10 balls in a bag, 3 are red, 4 are white, and 3 are black, then it's not a complementary event, right?
No, it will be. Like what you want to ask?
Like if the event is probability of getting a white ball, then it's not a
A white
complementary.
ball. No, a white ball. So it will become 3/10 because 3 white balls are there. Yes. And now what is the complementary of that? What is
There
the
is red.
probability of getting not white ball? So not white ball is
7/10.
basically a red ball also and a black ball also. That is called as complementary
But
event. Like 3 by 10 will be the probability of getting event, which is 3 by 10. Not getting event, which is 7 by 10. When you will add it, it becomes 10 by 10 and it becomes 1.
So then all events are complementary.
Every events are complementary events. Why? Because one happening and the not happening that same event is basically always one. Joshua, Josh,
Yes,
are
sir.
you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Call him Josh the Great.
Joshua.
Sir,
Hmm.
call him Josh the Great.
Yeah, Josh, take it. You got it, Joshua? No.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Oh, okay. Nitya, you got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, so now who knows how to play cards?
Me?
Okay, you know how to play cards. Just on you.
What sort of cards?
In the cards, playing cards, normal, not normal play, club,
One with the hearts.
diamonds, hearts, diamonds.
Heart.
You always remember only hearts. There are a lot of three also. Also there, diamonds are also there. Club are also there. Okay.
I don't know how to play
Ira?
that sort of cards, sir.
Um, sort of.
Thought. Joshua, what about you, beta?
I know some card.
I know.
No, you know all the details of the cards.
Yes, sir. I know it.
You know it? Yes, to me.
I know the names of some cards. I don't know how to play it.
Okay. Playing, I will not teach you. I will just remember.
Sir?
Yes.
So in
Yes.
total, there are 52 cards. There are
Hmm.
4 suits, a spade, heart, clubs, and diamonds. And in each suit, there are 13 cards.
Hmm.
So,
Perfect.
so the probability of getting a card from that suit is always equal to 13 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 4.
Perfect. Perfect.
Sir, why did you put hearts and diamond in red?
They are
I'll tell
red
you.
cards, but spade and clubs are black cards. Sir, okay, fine. I'll color it, sir. Fine, I'll color it. I'll color all the inside parts of the card, sir.
Okay, now everyone please pay attention. Everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone see. The first card is always called as
Ace.
ace. Okay. The first class is always called as ace. So the ace is basically present in all the deck. There are basically 4 decks you can see. Okay. So in all 4 decks, there is ace. A stands for A. Okay.
A stands for
Then we have normal cards like 2, 3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Till 10 there is a normal number. Then we have,
Jack.
yes, Jack,
Jack.
Queen,
Queen. And King.
and King. Okay, and it is happening in all the 4 decks: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Sir, there's no
8. No, the 1 is replaced by A, which is also called as ace. Okay, it's called as ace. Okay, listen everyone. So this is how it happened. Okay, ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Normal 10 are there. Then Jack, Queen, King. In the same way, this is ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and Jack, Queen, King. I said like this, we have these types of thing. Okay, now this is called as club. Okay, it's called as club. This is called as spade. This is called as spade. This is called as heart. And the last one is called as diamond. This is called as diamond. Okay, so we have this thing: club, spade, hearts, and diamond. Everyone please pay attention. Okay. Now one more thing I have to teach you, that these are called as face cards. Face cards. So these all are basically what? Face cards. So if you will see the cards, you will see that there are faces are there. Jack has face, Queen has face, King has face. That is why they are called as face card. They have face. Okay, they are not like a regular number. Okay, this is called as number cards.
From 2 to 10, it is number cards. So,
Yes, number. Aces are not considered as number cards. Remember this. And this A stands for ace card. So just run. Club has how many cards? Just run, we count out. Just run. Can you count out? Club has how many cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13. So basically, the club has total 13 cards. Okay, it has 13 cards. Now, Betty, how many cards are there in the spade?
13.
Oh, you know, it means that you are playing very, very, very cards. Good. Okay, Ira, how many cards are there in hearts?
13.
Okay. Now, Edric, how many cards are there in diamond?
Also 13.
13. Now, I want to ask from Joshua. Joshua, that means that how many total cards are there? Joshua, what is the total number of cards?
Uh, 42 cards, right?
No, 52.
42.
Like 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13. Simply the 26, 39, and then 56. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, now this is what about the card theory is there. So now what type of question can come? So I will ask same question from Ira. Ira, what is if a 52 shuffle deck is there, what is the probability of getting a face card? So 52 shuffle cards means all the four categories, all the four suits are there.
Yeah.
Now what is the probability of getting a face card? So how many face card is there? Total how many face card is there? Ira only.
12 face cards.
12 face card. And what is total number of cards are there?
52.
52. So what is the probability it will come?
52 by 12, and then you have to put
No. 52 will come in denominator.
Okay.
So 12 by 52 and don't do any 100 multiply. Don't do this. Only probability means only number. You don't have to do any percentage or changes. No. You don't have to multiply it by 100. You simply just do 12 by 52, simplify it and leave it.
Okay.
Understood?
Wait, sir.
Now I will ask this question from Justin. Justin, what is the probability of getting red ace? Justin.
2 out of 52.
Very good. This is the answer. 2 out
One
of
by
52.
36.
Simple. Right. Understood, everyone? Very down quickly. Simeon, I will ask this question from you. What is the probability of getting blackjack?
13 by 52 or 1 by 4.
Blackjack, I'm saying.
Out of what?
52 only.
1 out of 52.
I
No.
know, sir. I know.
Blackjack means there are two blackjacks are there, no?
So 2 out of 52, which
Oh,
is
so 2 out of 52.
Yeah. So you wrote it down, Simeon, all
Wait,
these
sir.
things?
Wait.
I
not-
need your notes. Simeon, you writing this or not?
Writing it, sir. Yes, sir.
Done.
Wait.
Guys, done? Can I this?
Wait, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Okay, down. Simeon, I hope you're writing all these things. Tomorrow we'll do question, and day after tomorrow we'll complete this, sir. So Abigail is online. So we have completed this course in the end of July, Abigail.
That means by the end of the July, we'll complete all the chapters. We'll complete like 6 chapters by the end of July.
No, with Abigail, it was last chapter. So it is the last chapter, no?
So
So
now,
I was saying,
after are we done?
Abigail will appear exam in October if she's confident enough. So that is why. So like we discussed about how to complete the course. So I told them for July. So now we have completed. We are on time. You guys will complete your course by mid-Feb.
When?
By mid-Feb or Feb starting.
Both math and science or only math? Both math.
Both lessons. Then you have three both for the April exam. So like my aim is to complete it by 31st January. Then you will have board exam, pre-board exam by March. And then
April.
yeah, no, there's practical exam in March. So we will, yeah. And one more thing, guys. 22 December, there will be half-yearly test. Remember this thing from today only I'm saying 22 December, if I'm not wrong. Just give me a second. We always have half-yearly test. Sure. 25 is Saturday, no? So, November, in December. Yeah, 22 December is the half-yearly test, you guys have. Okay? 22 December, mark in your calendar. There will be half-yearly test.
Wait. So,
So the chapters I will declare soon, but the chapters that we did, they are all coming. So you need to revise it and you have to prepare it for the 22 December. And the half-yearly test gonna be proper 3-hour test. Means you need to sit. You are not allowed to stand. You are not allowed to give in breaks. You need to sit for 3 hours. Even Mama, as an investigator, invigilator, she will also sit with you 3 hours. It's a strict test, okay? For 3 hours, she will also sit it with you. You, Mama, it's an intense situation. You guys have to sit. You guys are not allowed. You can bring one water bottle. All pencil, eraser, sharpener, compass, all should be there with you. Okay. But you're not allowed to go for washroom. If it's very urgently, you can allow for 1 hour. But it doesn't mean that bhaiya is coming, small kids, like small brother is coming, and it's just very big fail on like that. No, it won't be like that. It's gonna be proper 3 hours test will be there on 22 December.
sir,
On both science and math. Yes.
I always do the test like that only. Like I don't get up from a place. I do it in one
Yeah.
sitting.
Very good. That is the perfect way. When you are giving test, it should be like that.
Sir,
There will be no disturbance in that. Yes. Done. Okay, so you guys have 3 minutes break, then come back in for the science class. Till then, bye, Brigade, and bye, Siva.
Sir, no homework.
Sir, no homework.
No.
why is everybody asking for homework? They love homework, but I hate homework.
No, because I don't have anything else to do. That's why.
But today is no homework. You guys prepare for the test. You guys have a lot of tests, no? In
Zing, I'm
coming
the
weeks.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Zing, I'm
Okay.
the only one that hates homework.
Okay. Bye, Fabian. Guys, 3 minutes break. Come back. Okay, guys, come back.
I
Come
knew
back,
that
guys.
would
Come back.
start. Sir, I knew that you will start with, okay, guys, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Good. You know me better.
Sir, today we have to do this one, adaptations in terrestrial animals.
Yeah. The question is terrestrial animal. You see, desert animal. So yeah. So yesterday we learned about the plants that they are on terrestrial, and we learned about the what is their behavior according to the environment. What is their response to the environment? So, like aquatic animals, aquatic plants have left roots, and the terrestrial plants have long roots. So, the question can be asked why the terrestrial plants have long roots for in search of groundwater when which is not available near to the roots of the plant. That's why they have to grow their roots to get out to the groundwater. Did you understand?
Yes.
Ira. Okay. So we learned about that. Now today we'll learn about the adaptation in desert animal. In which animal? Desert animal. So I request Ira to read this.
Adaptation in desert animals. Most of the desert animals avoid being out in the sun during the day. Many desert animals, reptiles, and amphibians live in burrows to escape the intense desert heat. They come out during the night when the temperatures are low. Due to constant exposure to high temperatures, desert animals need to maintain their body temperatures at an optimum level, for which some of them have developed long body parts that provide greater body surface to dissipate heat. These
Yeah.
animals have
So basically, in desert animals, the they never comes out in day. Why? Because if they come out in day, it's lot of heat is there, lot of heat. The body needs then lot of water, and because desert animals are there, desert is there, they don't have lot of water to drink. So these animals live inside the shed or in the burrows during the daytime, but in the night time when the everything is cool, then they come out. They come out from the burrow. Okay, now they have a big surface area so that the body heat can be cannot be on one particular area, but it will be spread throughout the body so that the less body heat will be. Okay, if it is throughout the surface needs a lot of time to get its heat as compared to the iron nail, which has less surface. Okay, camels have hump to store fat so that they can eat it and they never be hungry in the desert time. Yeah, we read this.
nature.
Ah,
A camel can drink very large amounts of water in one day or survive for a relatively long time without drinking any water. They can excrete concentrated urine when there is water scarcity and thus reduce loss of water.
so basically, the camel drink a lot of water. Okay, why?
Sir,
Because when they yeah.
they can drink 200 liters of water in 3 minutes.
Yes, because they drink water, they use that water, like for example, urine form. So in that urine, they use that water for their survival because they also need water. But it's like that, some smartphone has small battery, some smartphone has 7,000 battery, 7,000 big mAh battery. So it's like 7,000. They take a lot of water, they store it, and they will use slowly, slowly, slowly for the longer days of time. You understand, guys? Okay. Okay. Next, read this. Yeah. Next part.
Desert animals like reptiles have minimized loss of water by excreting urine in the form of insoluble uric acid. This ensures very little wastage of water.
Yeah, so they are trying to uh, uh, instead of excreting urine, they try to insoluble uric acid. Insoluble means it's very we can say very salts are there in that uric acid that enable them to reduce the loss of water because less more salt means less water. Less water is there, it's coming out of the body, then it is easy for them to survive in the harsh temperature. Understood, Vidya? No. Is it being understand what I'm trying? Read this now. Right. Vidya, read it.
The animals which live in cold climates have very thick fur over the body to trap air and insulate insul insulate it.
Insulated.
Ah,
Insulated. स कहाँ से हो गया एस ए होगा ना सोल्यूट
they also have a layer of stored fat under the skin to give additional मुझसे नहीं बोला जा रहा ये word.
इंसुलेशन.
Insulation.
So basically, the cold animals have their thick fur. Okay, that thick fur, like for example, in winter time, we used to wear woolen coats because it has fur. It has the woolen is there. Uh, so why? Because that woolen things help us to become an insulation to the environment. Like the if environment is 0 degree, so less winter will be there, and the heat which your body is producing, it's gonna be trapped inside the clothes that you're wearing. That is called as insulation. Insulation means the outside cold is not coming in that jacket, and your body is releasing heat. And when you're wearing that heat inside your body, that heat which is releasing by the body, it got accumulated, it got trapped inside your woolen clothes, and that keeps you warm. Understood? So warm is not because of woolen clothes. I repeat it again. There is no warmth because of your woolen clothes. Warm is your body releasing heat, and when your body is releasing heat, the woolen clothes is just trying to trap that heat. Understood?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Yeah. Read the next one. Vidya.
The, the body shape and size of many cold climate mammals is well adapted to the cold climate. They are round and bulky with short legs, ears, and tails. These adaptations help to conserve heat.
Yeah. So they have short ears, short legs, and tail, so that they can walk easily. Like small कदम जब हम चलते हैं, when we walk small step, we are doing more work. More work is more releasing energy, more releasing heat. That is why they have small tail, small legs. The next part, penguin.
Penguins have thick layers of densely packed feathers to reduce heat loss. Its flippers and legs are also adapted to reduce heat loss.
So they have feathers because so that they can reduce the heat loss. Okay, now the aerial adaptation continues. Now, what do you mean by aerial, Edric?
Aerial means living in air.
Yeah, not living in air, but their mode of transportation is air. Like nobody is living in air. Everyone is living on tree or something nest there. Okay, they are just mode of transportation means like the water. They have mode of transportation. They are in the water. Land, they are in land. But aerial transportation means they are the basically they are flying. flying in the air, but they're living on the land only. So they are comes in the terrestrial only, but aerial is a part of terrestrial. Okay. So now aerial adaptation. I will ask this question. No, I will request Joshua to read this. Before reading, I want to say one thing. Just give me a second. What adaptation? Don't see the book, okay? What adaptation you feel that it should be there in the aerial animal, those who fly? What adaptation you can? I will ask one by one, okay? Don't say anything. We'll start from Ira, and the question is, what adaptation that you feel that aerial animals should have so that they can fly? So I'll ask from Ira. Ira, please.
Wings?
Wings. Okay, they have wings. Okay, next we'll go to Jashwan. Jashwan. What do you think that they should have? Yes,
They have lighter bone structure than
yes,
animals.
lighter bone structure. You will not see polar bear having wings will fly. Even polar bear, you will give wings also. He will not fly because the body density and the body mass is too much. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, third point we go to Edric. Yes, Edric, what do you think?
What was the question again?
The question is, what adaptation can aerial animals have? Like, what do you think that they should have? That's why they can
Aerial
fly.
animals have a streamlined body so that they can steer through the air.
Okay, so what do you mean by streamlined body, Betya? What do you mean by streamlined body?
I don't know.
Okay, you saw the aeroplane?
Yes.
That is for a streamlined body. So, what do you mean by streamlined body now? What's the main thing is there in aeroplane that makes it streamlined? We learned this in the aquatic animal also. They also have streamlined body. Like, what is the role of aeroplane? If aeroplane is like this, will the aeroplane will fly?
No.
Why? Why the
Because
aeroplane will not fly? Hmm.
because the air will, well, if it goes like this, then the air will like make paths for it to go.
Hmm. That is called a
And if it,
streamline.
huh,
That is called a streamline. Means tapering in the end, tapering in the starting. Okay, so that there will be less air friction will be there. So in the same way, every birds have this streamlined structure so that they'll be if they are flying, if they are dancing in the air, so they have less air friction. So there is anything. Just please ask me. Sister,
Sir,
you got it?
sir, buoyancy.
Air bio. What bio?
Buoyancy means it will work against the gravity. That's why they are not just falling down to the earth. Like how the fishes also have.
Yeah, they have lighter body. I can't hear. I can't. They need a lighter body. So the lighter body means they have hollow bones. Basically, they have hollow bones. Why they have lighter body? Because they have hollow bones. Hollow bones. Hollow bones means that they the bones
Hollow
is
bone.
very lighter.
Hollow bone means the bone is empty. That means there's nothing inside the bone.
Yeah.
I mean, it'll just it's saying like the bones are hollow to make them light. That means only
Yeah.
if it's light only they can fly. If they're heavy, they can't fly.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes,
when
ma'am.
birds fly, they don't have any take in buoyancy because buoyancy is only in water, right?
Yeah, that's really I told by the
Okay.
force which is against the gravity in the water is called fun. Yeah. So, no, Joshua, please read this. Aerial animals.
Aerial animals include a small number of animals that are able to fly in air. These animals come to the trees or land or water for safety or shelter. These are called arboreal animals, which dwell on trees. They may walk or run on land or glide in the air for a short while to land on the tree or ground. Flying squirrel, flying lizard, tree frogs, lemurs, and monkeys belong to this group. True aerial
Those
animals.
animals who live on the tree is called as arboreal. Arboreal. Arboreal animals. Now, why arboreal animals? Because they dwell on the tree. They have tree as their instrument. Who are the arboreal animals? Like birds. Okay. Birds are not animals, it's an area. Like those who live on the tree. Okay, they can walk, run, and fly in the air for shorter time, but they live on the tree, like monkey, squirrel, lizard, tree frogs, etc. Understood? Okay. Yeah. So true aerial animals are like birds and bats. These animals exhibit adaptation to balance themselves to stay in air and soar or fly. Okay. So read this. What adaptation they exhibit? Yes. Yes.
These adaptations include streamlined body to steer through air, wings, forelimbs are modified into wings to help them to fly. Birds have wings that are covered with feathers which trap air to keep the body warm and help the bird to fly. Bats have an extension of the skin between the fingers of the forelimb which help them to fly. Bones bones are
They have.
hollow to make them light.
uh, And they have flight muscle. They have good flight muscle which is attached to the wing, which help them to fly high in the sky. Did you understand, guys? No, you didn't understand. Ira, what happened?
So just give me 1 minute.
Okay. So we'll stop here only. Okay, this is your homework, guys. This in-text question. One. Okay. And two, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, Ira, please write this in the group. Okay. Now, guys, we have 2 minutes left. So, do you have any doubt what we read today? Please
It's a
ask.
in-text question. In-text question. What?
29 point.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So, any doubt today what we read? Right? Joshua, Jashan, Bethia, Adric, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll stop our class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Okay.